Hello and welcome to my channel. Kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell if you haven't, and click on the like button and also share. Last, in the previous videos, we looked at internal CSS and inline CSS. Now we are going to look at external CSS today. As we've already discussed so far, by the end of this you'll be able to choose your favorite way of styling, but to me, my favorite way of styling is the external CSS. For us today, with the external CSS, to add an external CSS to our HTML, we need to tell the HTML all about it, what relation it has to our HTML, and the type of file it is, and its location and name. Okay, so we can implement this by adding a line of code into our head section. So our head section, any area around this place, that's our head section there, and we can use a real value to tell what type of file it is, and also the ahref to tell the HTML where the file is located and its name. And always remember, CSS is with the file extension .css. So let's look at the external style sheet on our HTML by using the link tag. So let's say link. Okay, the real value, that is the style sheet, it tells what type of file it is, and then type text /css, and this one will tell us where our file is located, okay, and the name of the file. So now let's create a new file, save it. Okay, so let's create a new folder. So let's say CSS, yeah, and let's save. So let's say styles.css. yeah, now we have created a new file, CSS file, which is an empty one. And now, so it was folder first, css/style.css. I've already told you the file extension is important. And then we save. So now let's come and style whatever that is in the header, okay, whatever that is under the header. So let's say header, then curly bracket, and then we say color. Let's use the RGB color system, so 255. As I've already told you in the previous videos, with the inline we use the normal English for the color, like color blue, color purple, color red, color green. And we also have the RGB color system and the hazard that we have used all of them. Now you will see how all of them work. So let's say color, then we have saved. Let's run it and see. Oh, it's not working. There is a mistake somewhere. Our linking, okay, styles.css, but I say style, so that's the mistake there. So let's fix it. Okay, now let's go back. Okay, you see it has changed.